So for this morning's walk we've headed out across to the Jewish Quarter, which we've kind of just walked through, but we're going to walk back through it a bit more and explore it in a minute. And we've come to Father Bernatek Bridge, which crosses the river, obviously. There's the river there. Looks like a great area for running and cycling along there. And there's a whole lot of sculptures here on the bridge. So we thought while we're here we might as well cross the bridge to the other side, and maybe we'll walk along and down, cross that bridge and then back to the Jewish Quarter. Sounds like a plan. Oh, and it's kind of a lock bridge as well. There's a few locks on here. These seem to be acrobats and gymnasts. We walked up the steps to one bridge and then snuck across the road so we could go have a look at this bridge here, only because it's a very new bridge, so I thought we'd check it out. It's a pedestrian and cycling bridge, I think, with trams in the middle. Okay, so we walked from down there on the left, that bridge in the distance, it's a darker blue, less green, and that tower you can see in the distance there, we're pretty sure that's the castle we walked past on the way from our apartment. Pretty fancy pedestrian cycling and tram bridge. It looks more like a train than a tram. Train bridge. So we've kind of reached the Jewish Quarter now. So far it's a pretty run down area. I think that might be the back of a synagogue. We're going to go around the corner and have a look. Yeah, it's an old synagogue. Not sure if it's used anymore. Oh, slightly nicer spot here. This is quite different. Seems to be a mixture of quite nice, pretty well kept buildings and graffiti. I think it's a cafe. You have a coffee and a sewing machine. We're back on the old town inner city walkway that goes around the old town. It's called Planty Park. It's a green space that goes right around the outside of the old town. I'm not exactly sure where we are. Might have to look at a map in a minute. Big walls up to our left there. Can't quite see them. Hold on. See if I can show you. just about back at the main square again. Well, I say again, I mean we were here yesterday. First time today. Oh, there's a hole in the ground. There's a look where you're going, Aaron. That's the cloth hall in front of us. It's a museum at the oldest university building in Kraków. Ah, yeah, this is it. Collegium Maius. Not that I would know, but Sarah follows it. This is meant to be very much Harry Potter-like. So I'll take Sarah's word for it. It's 2:30 in the afternoon. We've come back out for another walk. It's actually 30 degrees Celsius this afternoon. It's got warm again. Thought we were meant to be heading into autumn. So we've come out, obviously, by the river, as you can see there, and we're behind the castle. And we're going to walk along here and try and find a dragon. And, if we're not too hot, we could go up to the castle later, but I think we'll probably just have a look at the dragon. Ah, so there's the dragon. And he is supposed to breathe fire, but the reviews kind of said it's not that brilliant. Perhaps better at night where you can actually see it. It might just be more like a puff, the magic dragon. And there's a cave you can go in here underneath the castle. It's called the Dragon's Den, but the reviews on that are not very flashy. So we're not going in there. Quite a few people about though. River cruisers on the water there. Right, we're heading up to the castle, look around the grounds. Sarah managed to see the dragon breathing fire and got a bit of video of it, so hopefully I can put that from my phone onto this video, because I didn't see it.
There you go, there was some breathing fire.